Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do today is just take a couple of minutes to introduce to you one of the new products that Caliber is handling. This is the full line of Advance IVAC industrial vacuum cleaners. Now they make a whole line of vacuum cleaners from small compact ones all the way up to large industrial building cleaning systems. But what I'd like to show you today is this is the Attix 19 flood sucker. Now what's unique about that, there's a lot of wet vacs out there and they do a pretty good job. This is very unique because it's not just a wet dry vac, but it is also a pump out. So if your property or you have problems with flooding or how to get rid of water in a basement or clogged drains, definitely a machine you want to take a look at. Let me take a minute and just kind of walk you through some of the features on this machine. First of all, everything you see comes included with it. The base unit, you come with the hoses, your floor tool, and a 50-foot high fire hose for pumping out, all included. Now to operate the machine, as you see on the front of the control panel, you have two simple, an outlet and a dial here to set the different functions. To power it up, simply take the cap off, take your power cord, and simply plug it in and tighten it up. You have three different positions to operate it. Off, auto, what that does is vacuuming, and when the tank gets about half full, it'll automatically turn on the pump and automatically keep pumping out. Or you can just put it on pump if that's all you want to do is finish cleaning out the tank. To vacuum and not pump, you simply turn it this way, and you have different speeds. So you can adjust the suction rate depending on what you're picking up, either very slowly or increase the suction to maximum. When you're done, turn it off. So again, very simple operation and a simple connection for your power. Obviously here is your power cord with a circuit tester. And then you have your plug that goes into the unit to power up the head. Now this particular model, this is designed that you can tip it in order to dump it out. It is a pump out vacuum, which means it has an actual sump pump built inside. And this unit, not that it holds 19 gallons, but it can pump out vertically 25 feet and out 300 feet. So if you're in a basement and you have no way to get rid of the dirty water or whatever has flooded, instead of filling up buckets and carrying them out or dumping them down sinks, this machine can do the job for you. Let me show you kind of how it breaks down. The top of the unit simply opens up, lifts off. You've got a stainless steel screen around where your vac motor is, and this is your suction hose to pump it out. Down inside the unit, you have a separate debris basket that'll strain out any solids so you can take it and dump it. And now you'll see the sump pump that is inside the unit. Also, if you want to dump it yourself, simply this upper shield comes off, and now I can pick it up and easily dump it. And then when I'm done and rinsed it out, very simply return the pieces to the unit. Lock it in, put the top piece back on, and lock it in place. Your suction hose fits into the front here. And then in the back is where you can have an adapter for different hoses that would fit onto here. This is for pumping out. Comes with this adapter, or I can take this 50-foot hose and connect it onto it like that. When I'm done, take that off and then just return the cap to it. So as you can see, it's a very simple machine. It breaks down easy to maintain and clean, but this has incredible suction power, but more importantly, pumping out. Comes with these tools and hoses you see. And again, you can get additional hose to go out 300 feet away from the building, and it has the lift capability to pump up 25 feet. For more information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.